Lamina's expertise in hydraulics is world-recognized in the stamping industry for providing the fastest and most reliable means to separate dies. Two unique products, the die separator and electronic die setter, use a set of 4 hydraulic cylinders to safely lift dies weighing up to 60,000 pounds. A 6-cylinder version of the electronic die setter, which is capable of lifting 90,000 pounds, is also available. The stability afforded by Lamina hydraulic die handling equipment allows you to safely perform maintenance and get your stamping dies back into production fast, saving time and money. The hydraulic power cart is rugged, built bulldog tough, and yet is compact enough to be moved by just one person. All system components are conveniently located right on the low-profile hydraulic cabinet. It is completely portable with large casters and built-in lifting bales for go-anywhere maneuverability. The heavy-duty hydraulic power unit can easily handle heavy workloads right at the job site. Properly separated dies are critical when maintaining your dies. Die tryout, spotting new dies, and raising dies for maintenance, such as lubrication or part replacement, are all important reasons to demand the superior performance only Lamina's die setter or die separator can provide. While these two systems are similar, the electronic die setter offers greater die separating precision because of a newly designed electronic control interface. The PLC electronics maintain precise die lifting and lowering levels by controlling hydraulic pressure to each cylinder independently for the most demanding off-center weight conditions. This accuracy allows you to set punches and trim steels without using a tryout press. Because of its superior engineering, the electronic die setter and die separator are fast and easy to set up. Just one operator can control the system. Roll the electronic die setter to the job and lock the brake. Power is connected to a voltage source. 220, 380, 440, and 600 volt units are available. The hydraulic power unit is switched on. Pull the 4 cylinders from the cart and latch at the desired length. Each cylinder can reach up to 25 feet away. The high-pressure hydraulic hose is conveniently stored on the latching and spring-returned hose reel. Place the cylinders into a safety die pad area. For pad areas with even level heights, set the die weight to maximum at the power unit's control panel. Pull out the retractable pendant controls and using 2-hand safety buttons, depress the green safety interlock button and the up-down button simultaneously to activate the cylinder rod movement. The hydraulic hoses are all attached to the cylinders using quick connect fittings. The cylinders are engineered for safe disconnection while under pressure. The hoses can be retracted out of the way while the durable cylinders continue to reliably hold up the die. The die separator offers basic die separating operation for maintaining your dies. It comes in 2 models, 15-ton and 30-ton. The hydraulic cylinders are available in 3 standard sizes. A 4-inch model provides 1 1/2 inches of stroke, a 6-inch model offers 3 1/4 inches of stroke, and a 9-inch model gives up to 6 1/4 inches of stroke. If extra lift height is needed beyond what the standard cylinder stroke provides, then cribbing blocks can be used. Extend the cylinder and insert the bottom supporting ring using the T-handle. Retract the cylinder and insert a pad, again using the T-handle. Extending the cylinder rod with the pad installed increases the cylinder lift height. Add an upper ring, lower the load, and then add another pad for even greater lifting height. This process can safely be repeated to use up to 3 cribbing pads for your biggest die separating needs. The electronic die setter handles uneven die pad areas with no problems. In this instance, the true die weight is inputted to the electronic controls. When the up is depressed, the cylinder rods begin to travel upwards, and when the first rod comes into contact with a lifting surface, it stops traveling. When each of the rods have made contact with their respective lifting surfaces, the electronic controls automatically shift the unit into parallel lock mode, and the upper die section is lifted uniformly. The weight of the upper die is often distributed unevenly. This can create disastrous results, such as binding when overhead cranes are used. The electronic die setter ensures a smooth parallel lifting condition. No jacks or manual levers are needed. If an upper shoe becomes bound or stuck, Lamina's electronic die setter can be used to set the die straight by unifying the cylinder rods at the bottom of their stroke and then placing the unit into parallel lock mode for lifting. This procedure is fast, effective, and safely solves the problem with minimum damage to the die components. Lamina's electronic die setter consistently lifts and stabilizes the upper die with precise leveling performance. Lamina's hydraulic die handling equipment pricing is very competitive. Rental and lease-to-own programs are also available. The Lamina electronic hydraulic die setter and die separator are unsurpassed in legendary durability and excellent after-sales service support. Because of its superior engineering, Lamina's complete line of hydraulic cylinders and power system components is amazingly simple to maintain. Like all Lamina hydraulic products, the electronic die setter and die separator are easy to learn how to operate. On-site training by technical representatives, clear operation manuals, and over-the-telephone solutions keep the Lamina die setter and separator running day after day, year after year. Lamina Hydraulics for portable power under pressure.